Invest in yourself and start a business today. Start a business around your skills. When starting a business, it's important to choose a niche that uses your skill set. By doing so, you'll be able to save money by leveraging existing expertise instead of having to hire outside help. For example, if you're a skilled graphic designer, consider starting a business that offers design services. Find a partner. Partnering with others who share your vision can be a great way to start a business without a lot of money. By collaborating with others, you can combine resources and skills to create a more robust and successful business. Partnering can also help you share costs like office space and equipment. Build your credit to find favorable loan terms. Tracking your credit score is essential if you want to be eligible for a business loan with favorable terms. Your credit score is a reflection of your creditworthiness, and lenders use it to determine whether or not to approve your loan application. By tracking your credit score regularly, you can identify any errors or negative information and take steps to correct them before applying for a loan. Additionally, having a good credit score can also help you qualify for lower interest rates and better repayment terms. Click the link to learn more.